Well, welcome back. We got another Duramax on the channel. It's been a little bit now. We had a steady stream of Duramaxes there for a while. And we still got some that we're working on, but we got another one here. And this is the newest one we've ever bought. It's a 13. It's got a ton of miles on. Bought it from Copart. It just got delivered here. There's a few things we already know about it. It was listed as not run and drive, but the shipper put a battery in it and she started right up. Runs, at least engine-wise, seems to run and moves, went back and forth off the trailer. And they even had to put it in four-wheel drive to get it up on the trailer because it was raining when it was going up on the ramps. And so all of that stuff so far seems to work. So we haven't had a chance to really check it out. We're going to take a walk around here. I think it does have a little bit more frame damage than what we thought, even though right here it kind of looks all right. You'll see here in a moment. I think we got some stuff, but we did get real lucky. Check out the box back here. So we're gonna see what type of shape that's in, if we can sell that, and what the final game plan is with this, I don't even know. So yeah, she does have some frame damage. We knew that kind of going in. It might be a little bit more extensive, but we did get lucky already. Like I said, shipper got there. And Copart, just a little secret, I probably shouldn't even tell you guys because it'll make bids go up. Oh yeah, that battery is in there nicely. But actually, I think we only got one battery in too, but oh no, we got both in, okay. But Copart, if they can't start it like with their jump packs, and you can pretty much never start a diesel truck on a just normal junky jump pack, they just give up and say that it's not run and drive. So we kind of thought that maybe it ran and drove, but it wasn't listed as a running driving one. But everything, you know, it seems to be like decently well maintained from what I'm looking at right here. I mean, we got some broken plastic and stuff like that, but nothing too alarming that I'm looking at here under the hood. Bumper and stuff down there got a little bit, might need some pieces down there, some of the clips and bumpers bumped out a little bit. But as we're going back through the side here, obviously running boards, a little damage there at the bottom of the cab. Actually, that's really smashed. So something got into the rocker there at some point. Tires aren't great, but all in on this thing for like $5,500 after fees, I think we are doing quite well. Yeah, there's a little bit more of that. Now here's where we know that there's some stuff happened. One, the back of the cab is smashed. And actually, if you look at it, it kind of has a like high spot in the center there, which leads me to believe that there is more than just the rear end here that I'm going to show you that's kinked up a little bit. The box is in okay shape from what I'm seeing. Most of the damage is right back here. There's some steps and stuff, but that could all be repaired. Now I'm hoping, I think this box had to be like a, I don't know, $5,000-$10,000 box. I'm guessing, I think it was just a flatbed that they had all these accessories welded on, I think, from what I can tell. But pretty serious setup. I don't know whether it was construction or a welding truck or what. Just do a quick look underneath here. See if we can see any kinks on the frame, but it's a little tough from the angle I'm at right now. And then on this side, it does look like we got some handles missing for this box right here. It's all bungee corded together. Anything exciting in here? Nope. Somebody spent some serious money on this box setup, but so interior for a work truck. Now this guy, though, I did not tell you guys yet. We're about to flip this key. Has, let's see. I don't know how to get to the, how do you get past it? I know how to do it on other vehicles. Oh, there it is. Service airbag, change engine oil, 314,000 miles. But honestly, even with the high miles that are on this, it does not look that bad. Yeah, it's a base truck, but switches, all that stuff are in decent shape. We had a 2012 just a few weeks ago. I don't even think I did anything on the channel about it. That was completely rusted out. I mean, it was shot. This truck's in so much better shape than that. We are missing the jump seat, I see. Probably had a workbench or something in there. But for 314,000 miles, somebody actually took care of it. Door does not like to open, probably because the whole cab got hit. Not bad at all, really. I am impressed with however they took care of this was good.
You got the chain?
Chain?
Yeah. Aren't we
towing it?
Yeah.
Toe off?
You toe off.
That's not the worst idea. I like that truck's chances. I think it's got the weight advantage.
Oh, are you putting that in four-wheel drive?
Yeah, I think so.
It'll win.
You think?
Yeah, I think so.
This has got the torque.
That's true.
And it's better on miles. I mean, this thing could be old and tired.
It's not. It's a beast.
It is.
I can see it from here.
Yep.
So what's up?
Are you gonna change, or are you gonna work in your flowers?
My wife made me dinner, so I'm gonna go down and change, eat a few bites, and I'll be back up.
Oh, good. Just in time for dark. So now, like, what are we gonna do with this thing? I have no idea. I don't know. But I do know that we need to take like the bed off and stuff, just to assess where we're at, to see how bad that box is actually damaged underneath. It's tough to see. I can see some brackets that are definitely broken. But yeah, we need to check it out a little bit more, see exactly how extensive the frame damage is, if we can repair it. I don't know. I don't know if we'll be able to or not. I'm thinking probably not, but we'll assess that. Or if we just want to use the powertrain out of it. But either way, it's kind of got to come apart. So I think that's where we're going to start with. Probably grab the skid loader, pull this bed off, and go from there. It's traded out the flower shirt for the highlighter shorts. Yeah, you're not going to get hit in any construction zones.
These are running shorts, just so you know. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. These are running shorts. I bought these at Dick's. All right?
So how do you want to remove this bed? I don't know that the skid loader, like, I don't know where you're going to attach to the skid loader. I mean, it's aluminum, so it's not, shouldn't be crazy heavy, but...
I had an idea. I thought bring the skid loader as far in, cab here, boom up over here, set it on the top edge, strap over the thing, and lift straight up.
And you don't want to just, like, I don't know. Well, I can't slide it back.
I mean, we definitely need to unhook the fuel fill. Probably those 3 screws.
It's too much work.
And the wire harness for the lights.
Lance is just getting the last few things. We think, and I'll show you why, that there's no bolts connecting this thing anymore. We think all the mounting points broke, and that's because you can just sit here and just do this. Which leads me to believe that, yeah, it's not really connected. Now, the only ones that might be are these front ones up here, but even those have a lot of play. So I think we'll find out. It might be this one. This one right in here might be catching, but I don't know how it would have hit the cab if those bolts are still attached. So I think we're about ready to go up here. Yeah. Clear? Yep. You want to put it somewhere other than the middle of the driveway?
Yeah. Right this moment, I just want to see what the
Okay. Well, you got yourself a piece here, buddy.
Really?
Oh, yeah. You got a frame with some character.
Oh, yeah.
Is it all behind the wheels, though?
Well, behind the wheels, but not behind the shackles.
I don't see anything up here, actually. It might have just flexed enough for it to... Well, I guess this, since this broke the mounts.
Yeah, these are just...
I think this all broke.
And it just let the whole thing slam forward.
So it hit it low and hard. Yep. Huh. The cabs, I mean... I don't know that it's shot, but it's...
Actually, I thought it was still a pretty good looking cab.
Yeah, I think... And it doesn't have rust, which is good.
Which is
so,
crazy.
the rocker on that side's hit real hard.
Yeah, I think it would pull, though. Again. Like, I think
So,
all
yeah.
this would pull out.
So yeah, I think just repair this back section.
Like, I feel like have this frame pulled. And maybe plated.
This is an aftermarket exhaust. I didn't realize that before, but yeah, it's a AFE.
I'm surprised on a work truck like that they ran this.
Might have been the owners.
Might have.
That would explain the ridiculous box that they put on it.
It's awesome, actually. Oh, yeah.
Somebody was doing some burnouts.
Looks good otherwise, though.
Yeah, I don't see anything hugely concerning, actually. I thought it was going to be worse when we got under here. Well, I think we're done for tonight. I think we did the tour of the old truck. Did a little bit of work. We got to ease back into working. I mean, it's hot out.
Yeah.
There's sweaty people on the train. There's global warming. People are deleting their trucks. I mean, I'm all for it because I wish that it was warm in the winter here. So guys, keep doing it.
Yeah, and we didn't delete it.
No, we
The
didn't.
Diesel brothers did, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, see them.
Oh.
Is that too soon?
Hashtag controversy. Well, I think that is it. I think we did our fair share of work here for today. We almost worked up a sweat. Had a little bit of fun with the truck. Oh, I bet she'll do some good burnouts right now. We're going to send these tires off probably next video on this truck. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great night.